This is a room. They will tell you interesting facts, exciting secrets, and fascinating stories.
We are here in the Linz chocolate home. It's an unbelievable place in Zurich. This house have explained the history of the chocolate that began with Aztec and other South American Indian. Explain the production of the chocolates, and also you can test different kind of chocolates, and at the end you have the opportunity to buy the best chocolate at a very good price to go to your home and make some gift.